Jen, dietitian at Tri-State Hospital, and we are back. I have Hadley here. She's my little helper today, and we're going to show you a recipe that's another do-it-yourself recipe makeover to make your recipe a little bit healthier. So this is sweet potato brownies that we're making today. So we have our wet ingredients and our dry ingredients, and Hadley is going to go ahead and mix those up for us, and we'll start with our dry ingredients and then put it into the wet. So we have a little bit of a mixture of regular flour and whole wheat flour in the large bowl there. And Hadley, if you want to go ahead and put the sugar in there. That'll work. That's the baking soda and salt. So we already have that measured out. Go ahead and put that in there. And then you have your sugar on the other side. Go ahead and put that in. And then put your cocoa in there. And your chocolate chips. Okay, and go ahead and mix it up. Good job. Get it nice and even. There's not any dark spots or white spots. It's just mixed up evenly. All right, cool. So let's set that aside. Go ahead and move it over. Then move that other little bowl over and out of your way and bring back the sweet potatoes. So we already have the sweet potatoes measured. And we're going to put a mixture. We actually have some almond butter mixed with peanut butter, and Hadley's going to scoop that into it. Go ahead, Hadley. And that almond butter is going to be, as well as the protein butter or the peanut butter, it's going to be very high in protein. The sweet potato is going to help us to not put as much flour or sugar in there, and it'll be really moist and add some fiber. Okay, so once that's done, Hadley, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla to the mixture. There you go. That's all right. Yep, that's what our aprons are for. Okay, so 1 teaspoon. Go ahead and squeeze it out. Okay. All right. Now go ahead and take the whisk and whisk the wet ingredients. Get that nicely mixed. Make sure you don't have any chunks in there. Okay, and now we'll go ahead and mix the dry mix into the wet mix. Okay, go ahead and place that down. Mix the dry mix into the wet mix. And you can take that wooden spoon over here. Yep. And go ahead. Here, I'll help you with that. ahead and mix that together. Do 20 scoops around. And then after that, we're going to place it in our greased baking dish and we'll put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, we'll see you when we're done. Hey guys, we are back. I have Hadley and Kaya here and we are tasting our brownies. If you notice, they do have chocolate chips on them. We put it on top of the batter right before we placed it in the oven. And it does make it a little bit more chocolatey. But overall it still has quite a bit less sugar than normal brownies. It has way less fat. We didn't use any fat in this recipe. And you can find this recipe on chocolatecoveredkatie.com. It's Sweet Potato Brownies. So we'll also post it on the video. Alright, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye!